Namaste. In this video, we will see Pavan Muktasan. Pavan means Vayu or air and Mukta means to release. In Pavan Muktasan, air trapped in large intestine is released and therefore it is called Pavan Muktasan. In Pavan Muktasan, systematic pressure is created on abdomen which improves the functioning of digestive organs, which gives relief from gastric troubles and constipation. It is good to practice this asana in the morning after waking up as it stimulates bowel movement. In this asana, the lower back muscles are strengthened. It is good for healthy spine also. Those who have problem of pile or hernia should not do this asana. Ladies going through pregnancy or menstrual cycle also should not do this asana. There are some variations for those who find it difficult to do Pavan Muktasan. One is Ardha Pavan Muktasan, in which one leg is bent and one is kept straight. And second is Sulabha Pavan Muktasan, in which the head and shoulders are kept on ground. Now, after practicing these variations, it becomes easy to do Pavan Muktasan. Now we will see how to do Pavan Muktasan. Ardha Sulabha Pavan Muktasan. From supine position, slowly bend the right leg, hold the leg with the hands and bring it towards the chest and abdomen. Let the head remain on the ground. Breathe normally. From here, one can move to the next stage or release the asana. To release the pose, release the hands and bring them down by the sides. Lower the leg back down. Repeat on the other side. 1, 2, 3. From Ardha Sulabha Pavan Muktasan, we can do Ardha Pavan Muktasan. Inhale and while exhaling, slowly lift the head towards the knee. Breathe normally in the position. To release the position, inhale and while exhaling, lower the head, release the hands and lower the leg. Repeat on the other side. Now we will see Sulabha Pavan Muktasan. From the supine position, slowly bend both the legs. Hug the knees with the hands and pull the thighs towards the abdomen and chest. Breathe normally. For Purna Pavan Muktasan, from Sulabha Pavan Muktasan, inhale and while exhaling, slowly raise the head towards the knees. Breathe normally. It is necessary to keep the knees and thighs pressed against the chest and belly in this asana. At the same time, the calves should also be pressed against the thighs so that when the hands hug the legs, the desired pressure can be had on belly. The proper pressure on the concerned organs of the body gives the desired benefits. Now to release the position, inhale and while exhaling, lower the head, release the arms and lower the legs.